Can we do it then?
Farming large fields has always been time-consuming. Traditional spraying methods require labor, fuel, and long hours in the field. But agricultural drones are changing that. Garuda Aerospace Agri drones are designed to spray crops quickly, precisely, and safely. Instead of walking through the entire field with heavy equipment, the drone flies above the crops and sprays evenly from the air. Using smart flight planning, the drone follows a predefined path across the farm. This ensures uniform spraying across every row, reducing chemical waste and avoiding overspraying. With powerful motors, advanced spray nozzles, and intelligent terrain-following systems, the drone maintains a steady height above crops, even in uneven fields. The result? A drone can cover up to 10 acres in just minutes, something that could take hours with manual methods. Farmers save time, they reduce labor dependency, and most importantly, they avoid direct exposure to pesticides. For modern agriculture, speed and precision matter, and with Garuda Aerospace Agri drones, farming is becoming faster, smarter, and more efficient from the ground up.